Hey, good morning, everybody. I got this fun surprise in the mail. So it's been a while since I've used this, but I thought I would try. Ooh, look at that! Nice round, full of promise. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with a small amount because it has been a while. Get a little bit though here. I get a small amount, but I need to at least get some. There we go. Whew, wow. I forget how potent it is. Okay. I can already feel them starting. Achoo! 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 God. Achoo! Achoo! Wow. Achoo! Achoo! Oh my God, that stuff works so well. I'm not done yet either. Oh, you guys, I used so little. Holy smokes. I can still feel it, and I know if I try I know if I try to talk, it just seems like that moves everything more. Okay, but I might be done. Of course not. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think that's it, maybe. Wow. All right. There you go. Enjoy.